Here's another great RV from Dodd RV of Eastern Virginia.
Hey guys, it's Lori. I'm excited to show you the Cherokee Wolf Pack by Forest River, model 25Pack12. Come on, let me show you.
Be sure to subscribe as we add new inventory on a regular basis. Dodd RV is an authorized dealer for many of the top brands. Dodd RV's reputation spans more than 50 years and has been built on one thing: trust. Check us out on the web at doddrv.com or stop by any one of our dealerships in Eastern Virginia.